Hi all, this is Anjali here from Bangalore, an ex-corporate employee doing what I've always loved to do my entire life. That's promoting chemical-free, natural, organic products and introducing the beautiful concept of sustainability. Today, my sister and myself are extremely proud to be launching our new brand named Adria that is dedicated to and inspired by all the women across the globe who are sacrificing a ton of things, juggling a life between family, kids, society, job, and often not finding enough time to take care of herself. Hence, we have curated and designed a wellness kit of natural and sustainable products.
On that note, let's take a look at what's inside this wellness box. All the products that we see here are based on pure flower essences, which are basically plant or flower extracts and have a distinct scent and flavor of the plant that they are extracted from. Apart from their aroma that can literally hypnotize you, they are edible and can be used in food like baking, sweet dishes, salads for exotic flavoring. They have a plethora of other health benefits too. The first product that we see here is a hot and cold therapy bag. It's filled with natural seeds and herbs infused with essential oils that smells absolutely magical. You can use it as a hot pack or cold pack. We place it in the microwave for a couple of minutes and place it on the body part that's aching, like your neck, shoulder, or back pain, or for your joint pain. You can also use it as a cold pack to help you deal with bruises, reduce swelling, and sunburns. This will last you a lifetime and is also biodegradable. The second product that we're going to see here is cold pressed coconut oil based skin butter, again infused with flower essences to help you moisturize and nourish dry skin. The third product that we see over here are the flower essences themselves that can be used as fragrances and perfumes. Personally, I highly recommend this. They are devoid of alcohol or any other chemicals, and just a drop of it on your wrist or behind your ear will leave you feeling calm, refreshed, and relaxed throughout the day. So, rose, jasmine, sandalwood, cocoa, vanilla are just some of the most loved variants that we have, and trust me, you will be mesmerized by just a single drop of this.
We often hear many leaders of nations and organizations talk about gender diversity and about having sustainability goals. But where are we today as a community with respect to these two topics? The earth is being battered and abused with a whole lot of unnatural man made products. For the upcoming Women's Day, would you like to reward all the female employees with this wellness hamper? And it's not just the female employees. You could also reward all the male employees who could take it back home to the woman who stood by his side. The last year has definitely been beyond ordinary for all of us. And this would be a wonderful gesture from the organization to its employees. Help your employees rediscover and reconnect with nature. Thank you all for taking this time out and listening to this. I hope this is able to trigger even the slightest thought about sustainability in all of you. The earth is ours to save. Thank you.